First rule, when the ticket batchim is followed by E, the sound is palatalized to make T. We learned in the lesson on liaison rules that the final batchim sound is carried over. So words like these, we pronounce the final sound as it is. 가다, 얻어. But when the ticket batchim is followed by E, the ticket sound changes to the palatal sound T. Here we don't follow the liaison rule. So we don't say 마디. We palatalize the sound and say 마지. And don't say 굳이, we say 굳이. So the rule is ticket batchim followed by E makes a G sound. So let's try reading these words. 해, 도지, 미, 다지, 등, 바지.